ITIP versus AutoCAD Electrical. Best software for electrical engineers? Choosing the wrong electrical software can slow projects and increase errors. ITIP and AutoCAD Electrical are both powerful, but they serve very different purposes. ITIP focuses on electrical system analysis. It's used for load flow, short circuit analysis, and power system simulation. Utilities and industrial engineers rely on it heavily. AutoCAD Electrical is about design and documentation. It helps create schematics, panel layouts, and wiring diagrams efficiently. Most people get this wrong by comparing them as competitors. They are actually complementary tools. ITIP excels in accuracy and simulation. It helps engineers predict real-world performance before systems go live. AutoCAD Electrical shines in productivity. Features like symbol libraries and automated wire numbering save massive time. The surprising truth is that ITIP is analytical, while AutoCAD Electrical is visual. If you design and document electrical systems, AutoCAD Electrical is essential. If you analyze and validate system performance, ITIP is the better choice. In 2025, many professionals use both. Choosing the right one depends on your role, not the brand name. Subscribe for more engineering software breakdowns that help you choose with confidence.